Hi sir, I'm gonna begin my topic for today. So I have passed all the values. I'm gonna elaborate what all I've done. First of all, we have four projects: Repro Catalog, MGT services. Four projects are installed in me, set up in my system as of now. And the second project is Repro Order MGT services, Repro User, AUTH, Auth, MGT services, and Repro User Interface MGT services. So right now I'm taking two projects. First of all, catalog MGT services. I have debugged that as Spring Boot app here. This I have Repro User MGT services. I have debugged as Spring Boot app, and then Repro user auth mgl I have run as Spring Boot app. Then I have opened these classes. First of all, if I go to catalog management controller, here here we have different things. What I mean to say is we have different mapping methods for mapping methods, for which we have to get for which we can pass the uh, we can say through postman we can pass the message or API. We can pass the API. For that, I am right now I will just try to tell what all I have things understood. Local host I will be using. Sir, as of now, local host details have not been created for me. Only the username and password has been created. I have not got the token for my authenticity. So right now I'm just using that token for which is available in this database. So I'm just using that token. Just a second. Here I have given the SQL, and here I have details of ISBN files. Here I'm using this token. This token I'm using for the Notion, and I have already given the details in the Postman. And I have like if I want to use that, like this is the default address. This 8083 we can already find in the application properties of that particular project. That is the port number for which the local host can be made run on the basis of this port number. Then after that we have to provide the mapping method, for which we have to call the details. For example, if I want to call get publication country location, I will copy that. But before that, I will copy this link. If, localhost 8083 oblique API oblique reprogenius, and after that I can get all like if for example if I want to go for post mapping, get all selectable fields. I can go for this. I will just select this and copy that. So right now I am just going for that simple get ISBN only, because it will take time as it's my first time to do these things. So I'm just going for get ISBN, and here I have given get ISBN reprogenius oblique get ISBN. So I will call API here, and I have taken a type of ISBN number here. Just I will show you. I have 7015 double four 2965 123. So for example, this ISBN I have taken, and I have copied that ISBN, and I have tried to paste it here, and the message is here. And after that I have opened these after this uh, in the mapper we all have all type of queries are inserted in the mapper class. That all things I have seen here. Here is the query basically for like for example, if I have gone for ISBN method, these are the queries for ISBN method. And if I come to this IMPL, just a second, IMPL. In this IMPL, all methods are declared for all the methods. For example, get the publisher country name. For example, get the ISBN details. Many and many methods are called in this IMPL class. Then catalog management services. In this, basically, mapper class, all queries, IMPL, all methods, and catalog management controller. We have all the main process. If I see here, process, what I mean is type of post mapping in which try, catch, and return methods are initialized. And then, for example, if I come on this, I apply a breakpoint here, and I come on this. I have already sent that query and I have already got the success. Basically, if I see for this ISBN I have called, so if I say status, I'm getting one message, I'm getting success, and the data about this ISBN I'm getting here. So, so the data I'm getting is Ramesh Publishing House, RPH editorial board. So these all details I'm getting. Country code 220 Indian rupees, publisher date. These all data I have got, and it has taken all the data by calling this API. So these all things I have understood, sir, and I am trying to elaborate more. The database is set up in my system, and here I have called this ISBN. I have taken this query from that. Uh, I have taken this query from the mapper class and I have pasted here, and I got to know the partner ID. I have pasted the partner ID as well, and I have got the response here that this partner ID exists and all these details are shown. And these all details are shown with the help of that particular token for which I have given the uh, uh, just I will show. These all things are happening just because of this authentication, which for which I have provided this Notion token I have provided. And right now, sir, I have not allotted the FD user token, so I will ask sir to allot me. So these all things I have understood, sir, in these projects. And if anything is not uh, anything I have skipped, please let me know, sir. I will try to learn that and I will try to show you that output also. Thank you, sir.